Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Harley Davidson Road King. FLHR 103 cubic inch, ABS brakes, LED running lights and headlamp, electronic cruise, 6-speed transmission, fuel injected. It's got the engine guards with the runners, floorboards, Screaming Eagle exhaust, and intake. Only 44,000 miles. It's got the quick release backrest and luggage rack, quick release windscreen. This bike is in showroom condition, really beautiful. Come on by and make your Road King dreams come true for just $14,990. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Oh yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.